Hello and welcome to my channel. Mimi here. Thank you so much for stopping by today. To my new subscribers, thank you for joining me, and to my returning subscribers, thank you for coming back to see me again. Today what I want to do is share with you a tablescape that I did for Juneteenth. It is inspired by the colors, the Pan-African colors that are used for Juneteenth, as well as my grandson. He made a special request and he wanted to be able to sit down and have a meal with our small village and just enjoy the celebration of Juneteenth in the way that we do it within our home. So I'm going to do a quick place setting and show you how I put that together. And then I'm also going to take you around the table, show you a couple of DIYs that I've done. And I just want you to sit back and just watch and listen to the music and just really enjoy. So the first thing I've done, as you see here, is I have a black tablecloth on top of the table. And the next thing I'm going to add is a placemat. Now this placemat here is definitely a throwback. I did thrift these. I got a really good deal on them, got several of them. And this reminds me of a lot of the placemats that we used back in the 70s. So I'm going to use that and start that one right there. Next I'm going to add a black charger to start that layering. And then I have a black and white plate here. I love the design on this. I got these from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to add that there. And I'm adding a black salad plate that I thrifted. Now, one of the themes that you'll kind of find as goes through my table styling is that a lot of the things that I already have on hand, I shop my home, or if I need something, I'm going to thrift it. And I'm also going to go to the Dollar Tree and try to find some things that would work well within a tablescape. So that's what I'm doing here. And then I also have a napkin ring, and I did this napkin ring just with some ribbon, cardboard. You can do this with any type of fabric or any type of paper to go along with your decor. And so I wanted a napkin ring that was going to work with my Juneteenth. I didn't want to go out and try to buy it, check Amazon or any of that. So doing a quick DIY really did the trick for this one. And so I'm going to add it to a black napkin and just pull that right through and just add that right to the top. Now I'm going to come in with my gold flatware. So I have my salad fork, my dinner fork, and then over here I have my knife and I have my spoon. I have my salt and pepper shakers that I always add for each individual that's sitting at the table. Make it convenient so you don't have to pass anything around. Everything is just right there. I'm going to add these long stem glasses to the table to give it a little bit more decoration, make it a little bit more festive. So there's my place setting. Really quick, really simple, thrifted, very low budget, easy to do, and all of the colors for Juneteenth. Now I'm going to take you around the table and just show you how I did the rest of the place settings. Everything is duplicated, and I'll just let you see how everything came together for my Juneteenth table. To make my table runner, I am using 3 of these plaques that I normally use when I am making my wreaths, and I attach those to the wreaths. But today they are doing double duty, and they are going to be a part of my place setting. And so I've got 3 of them that are going right across there, nice and neat. For my centerpiece, I am adding my DIY that I did a quick short on. And to me, this is my interpretation of the tree of life. Wanted to add some greenery to the table, wanted to still keep this very low budget. And so by just taking some clippings off of my tree and adding everything in here, to me, it is just perfect. But leave me a comment, let me know what you think. I did a quick short to show you how I put all of this together as well. And to complete the look on my table, I'm adding some candles. These are perfect for the table, flameless, battery operated. And they are the finishing touch for my table setting today. So I'm going to go around the table, show you some more, show you how everything looks together. But as always, thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like my channel. leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I certainly would appreciate that. And as always, I pray that you and your family enjoy the holidays and whatever you do and wherever you go. Be blessed.